What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm finally going to be battling the new Melanin African Black Soap Shampoo against one of my favorites, one of my top favorite shampoos, the Alikay Naturals Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo. I felt like this was the perfect shampoo to battle against the Melanin first, just because they're both African black soap shampoos. They do have very different consistencies, which you guys are going to see in a second, but I really want to see which one I'm going to like more for giving me, cleansed hair, but also not stripped hair that's still moisturized. I have a feeling it's going to be Alikay, just because I've used that one so many times, and it does not strip my hair. The Melanin, I pre-poo my hair and leave my pre-poo in every time before I shampoo. So I wasn't really that stripped at all when I used it the first time. My hair still felt moisturized. But I have a feeling that the Alikay side is just going to feel way more moisturized, just based on experience. This is the Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. It says it's made with revitalizing tea tree, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seed. And if you guys haven't seen my review on this shampoo, I'll be sure to link it down below in the description. You guys gotta check it out. I really enjoyed this the first time I used it, and it didn't give me like a crazy scalp tingle like I kind of wanted it to, but I still really liked it. This shampoo is 16 fluid ounces, and it's about $20 plus $10 shipping unless you spend, I think, $50 or $55 on her site. But now this product is available at Ulta. So you can get all the Melanin products at Ulta, and they have like different shipping requirements. I think it's $35 at Ulta. And right now they got something going on with their 21 Days of Beauty, where if you buy any of those products that are on sale, you automatically get free shipping if you're a platinum or diamond member. As you guys can see, I am on the Ulta app way too much. This is the Alikay Naturals Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo. I have a review of this shampoo already up on my channel, and I also have at least one battle with this shampoo. The only one that I can think of right now is the one against the Miche, one of my favorite shampoos as well, the Miche Cleanse shampoo. This shampoo says it's for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair, and it contains natural ingredients. And this one is also 16 fluid ounces, and I purchased this on Black Friday, so I don't know what exactly I paid for it, but it is around $20. I think it's like $20.50 or something like that. I'll put the exact prices for both products on the screen for you guys. But they are both close to the same price, and you get roughly the same amount of product. This one feels, more substantial. Number one, it's full to the top, and it's just a thicker shampoo. And this is very lightweight. As you guys can see, it's sloshing around in the jar or in the bottle. It is super lightweight. It's like water. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my Telliscopes. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video. And also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to quickly show you guys the texture of both shampoos, and then I'm going to get started with this battle. I think I'm going to use the Alikay on this side and the Melanin on this side, and we're going to see which one is the winner. Alright, this is the texture of the new Melanin shampoo. And as you guys can see, it kind of has, it's not super thick because it is running down my hand, but it is nowhere near as thin as the Alikay, as you guys will see in 1 second. This shampoo, it kind of has the texture of honey or syrup, but a bit lighter than those. I'm about to make a mess trying to show you guys the texture of this Alikay shampoo. I already made a mess, but this is what it looks like. It looks like straight water. And I forgot to say that both shampoos have these applicator tops, which are amazing. The ingredients of the Alikay Naturals Black Soap Shampoo are water, aloe vera juice, palm oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, ashes of plantain skins, cocoa pods, and shea tree bark, which is potash, tea tree oil, coconut oil, fragrance, and botanical blend ingredients. I've never heard of potash or potash, or I don't know how you say that, but it sounds really interesting. Ashes of plantain skins. Where did she even come up with something like that? The ingredients of the Melanin shampoo are water, desoglucoside, shea butter, sodium cocoate, sodium palm kernelate, glycerin, cocoa seed butter, peppermint oil, provitamin B5, lavender oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, argan oil, black cumin seed oil, turmeric root extract, and charcoal powder. So these two shampoos do have very similar ingredients lists, but it does seem like the Alikay Naturals one is a bit more simple, and it doesn't have as many words that I don't know what they are. It didn't have anything that I didn't know what it was. I mean, ashes of plantain skins, but you know, I know what a plantain is. I don't know what desoglucoside is, but I mean, I trust Natural 85, of course, and I trust that all of her ingredients are amazing and great for your hair because that's just how she lives her life. As you guys can see, the Melanin shampoo definitely has a much better lather than the Alikay. The Alikay does have a good lather inside the shower, but outside the shower it's not that great. But it's still, I can tell my hair is getting cleansed, but the lather is just not going to be as strong as the Melanin probably ever. So that is 1 point for the Melanin if you're someone who likes like a nice rich lather. Both shampoos do have tea tree oil in them, but the Melanin shampoo also has rosemary and peppermint. So I am feeling a stronger tingle. I'm not really feeling a tingle at all on the Alikay side, but I am feeling that tingle on the Melanin side. Like I said, it's not super strong, but I do feel it. Alright, I'm going to finish shampooing the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'm going to rinse both products out, and then I'll be back to determine a winner. What's up, curlies? I'm back and I just rinsed out the shampoos, and so I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like in a second, but I do want to just tell you how the experience was rinsing them out. So of course the Alikay side was more moisturized. That one is called the Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo, so I don't think anyone would be surprised about that. It was a lot more moisturized, but I still don't want to say that the Melanin side felt stripped. I still felt moisture there, and that's probably because I pre-pooed before. I forgot to tell you guys what I pre-pooed with. I used the fenugreek water from Mimi's Mighty Incredible. I'm of course gonna link her channel and her video on fenugreek water down below in the description.
Of course.
And I also use the Bane Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Overnight Conditioner as a pre-poo, and I love that. I have a video making and using that fenugreek water, and I also have a couple videos on that overnight conditioner, so I'm gonna link all of those down below in the description. One thing I do have to say about the Melanin though is that I could feel my hair tangling as I was rinsing it out. This Alikay one, you can basically finger detangle with it. It just goes right through your hair, but I feel like the Melanin is more likely to tangle your hair up. My hair doesn't feel dry, but it's pretty tangled. So if you shampoo your hair in twists, maybe that won't be a problem for you. I might do that from now on every time I use the Melanin because I don't want to be fighting to detangle my hair. I want it to be easy after shampooing because I do pre-poo, and when I pre-poo, I detangle my whole head. And one last thing about the Melanin shampoo, and this is a good thing, I can still feel that tingle on my scalp. It feels really nice even after rinsing it out. Alright, now it's time to see how my hair is looking on both sides. Alright, this is how the Alikay Natural side is looking, and it looks just as good as I was expecting it to look. This is how the Alikay makes my hair look every time. Curls popping, feeling super moisturized, and also cleansed. Not super cleansed because that moisture is really there, but I do feel like my hair is clean. My scalp is clean. This is what my scalp is looking like if you guys wanted to see it.
Okay.
Alright, this is my hair on the Melanin side, and this side looks bomb to me too. The curls are popping. It feels soft. It does not feel stripped. It feels good. The only thing I'm worried about is those tangles, but you know, I just need a slippery deep conditioner to get through those. The moisture is definitely not on the same level as the Alikay, but it's not like that far below it. It's, you know, I feel moisture here. I would never call this stripped. My results are making this battle a little harder than I was expecting it to be. I'm still gonna go with the Alikay Naturals as my winner, just because that's what I want from a shampoo. I want that oomph of moisture. I don't want to have any kind of thoughts about, is my hair dry? Is it? No, I don't want that. I want just moisture, moisture, moisture. That's what I want from my shampoos. I don't use silicone, so I don't need anything harsh to like get cones out of my hair or like a lot of buildup. So moisture is my main priority when it comes to a shampoo. I never want my hair to feel stripped. So I am going to give it to Alikay, but you know, Melanin was fighting hard. It really was not trying to give it up. So I feel like I'm going to give, you know, Melanin a high ranking second place.
Boy,
there are a lot of pros to this Melanin shampoo. Number one, it's going to last forever. It's going to last a lot longer than the Alikay. Just because it's so watery, I feel like I end up using a lot, probably more than I need to. But I also feel like I use more than I need to of this shampoo as well, and it's still going to last forever. It does give you a tingly scalp like I kept talking about, and it has a nice consistency to it. And if you use a pre-poo and leave that pre-poo in before you shampoo, this will not strip your hair. This Melanin shampoo is definitely still a winner in my book, even though I didn't win this battle. And this Alikay shampoo, I always rated a 10. I think I'm going to stick with a 9 for the Melanin, like I said in my original review. And I think I'm going to battle it against some other shampoos. Let me know what you'd like to see. If it didn't win against the Alikay, like one of my holy grails, it's probably not going to win against my other holy grails either. But if you want to see those battles, there's no reason I can't do them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.